Hey everybody, this morning I'm gonna be making some stewed chicken. I was gonna bake it, but my hotel I'm staying in does not have an oven, so I think it's called stewed when you boil it on the stove. So I'm gonna be having fried onions and fried potatoes and onions. I was gonna have green beans, but y'all, I am so tired and I didn't feel like cooking green beans. If I was gonna bake the chicken, I did buy some ranch packets because I was gonna have ranch chicken. So I'm just gonna eat it the way it comes out. Right here I'm just cutting my potatoes in half and then slicing them down the middle and cutting them in slices, in uniform pieces so they can get done even. That's all I'm doing right here. I hope y'all are having a good day. I'm having a good day. And yeah, look at what's about to happen. Y'all, I've been living in my car so long, I haven't cut any hard potatoes. My hand cramped up on camera in real time. I have said many times I have to keep apple cider vinegar and mustard on me at all times because my cramps ain't no game. They ain't no joke. So my muscle was right here next to me and I'm finna just take 2 shots to the head. Yeah, that's how I do it to get rid of it. So I'm glad y'all were able to see this, and this happened while I was filming my dinner, cooking my dinner. And you're gonna see my fingers, it's just gonna straighten out. It take a few minutes for that mustard to get into my system, and then my fingers will straighten out on their own. It's incredible. It has happened to me many times. Let me know if any of y'all out there this happens to. Look how my fingers spread. My mom used to have the same thing happen to her. I don't know if that's a condition or what, but cramps come with me when I haven't used my muscles in a long time. So it happens in my leg. Yep, it happens in my leg a lot. So once my fingers straighten out, y'all, we can get back to cooking. And this is crazy that this happened. But you should try the vinegar and the mustard if you get a cramp. So back to these potatoes. I haven't had fried potatoes and onions in a long time, and I'm so excited to be making it. Now I know everybody make theirs different, so if yours don't look like mine, then mind your business and judge your neighbor, not me. I'm the one eating this, not y'all. Y'all just looking at it. So I like a lot of onions in my fried potatoes. So I know somebody gonna say, damn, she gonna cut up all them onions. Yes, and did. And I'm gonna eat them all, but I'm gonna probably save some for the housekeeping team because I bought too much food. Like, I probably won't be able to eat all this chicken. Now I'm just seasoning up. Well, I'm actually adding salt and vinegar because I'm finna clean the chicken. And let me just talk about something, y'all. If you cooking your chicken, if you taking your chicken straight out the pack and putting it in an oven, you need an ass whooping. You need an ass whooping because you need to clean your meat. Okay, I can't stress that enough. Look at that. So I'm pulling off the little slime, whatever it is, feathers. I have to get all of that off my chicken. Like, when I'm done cleaning my chicken, I can taste the cleanliness. When you pull it straight out the pack, you can taste the funk. And I'm not even trying to be funny. So right here, I'm seasoning up my chicken. I've cleaned it thoroughly. If you're going to be touching it with your bare hands like I did, you want to make sure you don't have any cuts on your finger, okay? Because that's going to be raw chicken juice getting in your skin. You see how that chicken look right there? If it's still white and you done seasoned it, it's not seasoned. That's how it looked when it came out the pack, white. That's what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to be colored. Now, unless you're just using straight salt, then of course your chicken is still gonna look white. But if you're using all the seasonings that I like to use, it's gonna be colored, okay? So I just wanted to say that. So you want to make sure you are seasoning your chicken because if it's still white, it's gonna be bland. I'm telling you. And the people gonna talk about you at the potluck and at the church dinner. They gonna say, who brought this? And the shit gonna be still sitting there when everything is over with. You see that leg on that chicken? Season that leg. People like to suck on that leg and eat the skin. Season everything. The gristle. Yes, people like to eat those, chew on those. I don't, but I season my leg. Okay. You see how I'm scraping the bottom of my pan? I'm getting all that seasoning. Look at that. That's beauty. Who gonna disagree with me? Who? Yeah. So yeah, this is how I'm gonna stew my chicken. I got a little bit of water in the pot, and I'm gonna put the lid on it and let it steam, and that's how I'm gonna cook it. I got my potatoes sitting in cold water, and I'm about to get ready to cook them up. This just me finna try to clean up my trash because the housekeepers are outside on my floor, and I'm just gonna hand them my trash. They don't have to do housekeeping today. So I got my extra bags. That's what I'm doing right now. And this is my little lounge dress I got on. This is my favorite lounge dress. I got another color too, but you mostly see this dark blue one. And I wear it out too. I wear it out. Do you hear me? Yeah, I'm like that. I went to do my laundry the other day. So that's just me putting it to the side somewhere. And see, when you got a lounge dress, you can pull it up. You can get air up in that thing. You can be comfortable and move freely. Okay. The chicken is still boiling and getting done. It ain't ready yet. Potatoes are cooking. This is me showing y'all my face. See, I colored my hair. I haven't styled it yet, so I still look a mess. I'll style it when I get ready to check out probably. I don't know. Now I'm just seasoning my potatoes. I do not put seasoning in my potatoes as soon as I start cooking them, because the seasonings is gonna do what? It's just gonna burn on the bottom of the pan. So that's why I'm seasoning it now that the potatoes are done. One of my nephews called my fried potatoes, when they are like that, fried mashed potatoes, because I like to smush mine. And yeah, I like to smush it, and I also like to get a char on the bottom. But because I'm in this hotel, I can't turn the eye up to get that crust on the bottom of my potatoes, because the damn alarm will go off. So these potatoes gonna kind of seem like it's baby food, but it's not baby food. I'm looking at Prices right now. Them potatoes were so damn good. I don't care what y'all say. You can talk about them if you want to, but you see that flavor on them potatoes? Yeah, that's how we rocking around here. That chicken, it may look like it's not done. The lighting in this hotel is horrible, but that chicken is so done. It's been on the eye for an hour and 20 minutes. It's falling off the bone. You can see that. That chicken broth down there. Yeah. It's been sitting in that juice. Oh, yeah. Now, if I had an oven, I would have put it up on the broil so I can get it a little dark. Now, let me tell y'all what I don't like about this plate. The only thing I don't like about this plate is the appearance. I do not like to eat stuff that has the same color. I like to eat food that has different colors on the plate. Do you know what I mean? But I'm still gonna eat it though. Okay? I'm just gonna pull the chicken off the bone and throw the bones away. So yeah, that's what's left. Y'all, this video is almost over. I hope y'all have a good night and subscribe. Right here I'm showing y'all I did buy the 2 cans of French green beans and the ranch packets. I'm just gonna take those home, put them in the car. Bye.